What's up? Good morning, y'all. We is on location in Newberry, getting ready to hit another one. About to go out here and check out this F-150 that we've been doing for some years now, and get it going in the right direction. I'm gonna take y'all around it, let y'all see what it's looking like, and go from there. So walk over here to it, get to it. Wheels, it's a little dirty, got a little hair in it and whatnot, but we're gonna get it taken care of. Gonna do a proper detail to it, not messing with the car seats, but get the mats washed off. Like we had some kind of animal crawling up there. Alright, had some syrup or something spilled on me from earlier. Eating waffles from Woodyard Grill because we in Newberry. What's up, y'all? We is back with this F-150. Gonna take you around and let you see what it's looking like. Got it glistening, and yeah, we do this. So let's check it out. Had Joe put the towel down already. I gotta put it back so that we can move the vehicle without putting any dirt on the inside. Had a little small leaf blow in. Guys, that's it on the F-150. About to make a move to do some more detailing for the day and get to it. So on to the next one.
Yeah, I guess something happened. It's bad. Yeah, and he said, he was like, yeah, man.
Hey, bro, I'm gonna grab some bags out of the. I think I got a bag in the thing we could throw stuff in. Cause I'm not about to. Right.
Hey, bro, I'll put that dirt up so we won't waste on the floor.
Oh, yeah.
I got you. Let me get this. Yeah, bro. We're gonna do that, bro. In a matter of a few weeks apart, a week apart.
Yep, that's the way to get it done.
That ain't.
Court dates for your mind to hear about. Let's see what happens. Where at? Where he talking about doing that at?
Bro, I've been wanting to ask.
Yeah. Right. What she want? What's up, y'all? We is back. Did interior only on this van. That's why you see all that dirt on the outside, because we didn't have to wash it. We did a proper detail on it with which honestly I should have charged for a recommended, but this is a customer that calls me on a regular basis, so gave her a little slight deal and whatnot, and we're gonna get it parked and ready to get back to her. But proper detail, interior only, and we on to the next job for the day. Y'all keep checking us out. Hit that request service day button if you need your car done, and we'll get to you as soon as possible. Let's go. All right, guys, we just got the van parked. I'm logging in what the next location is. Gotta shoot to Gainesville. Right now we sitting in Archer, so let me see how far away the next job is. Today been going well, except for me leaving the drill brush in the truck on the last location, but thankfully I had something to kind of back it up. But definitely about to go do an Arcadia, so it's like a small SUV GMC, and I just want to see how far we gotta go. What's up, y'all? We is here. We got this Arcadia, and it is a mess, so we're gonna show y'all why we about to charge them for a recommended detail with dog hair, and we got to get to it. It's gonna take us a little while to get this one done right, but let's check it out. Alright, y'all can see what we working with. We got a lot of stains and all kind of stuff on the panels, and y'all can see what kind of crumbs we got on the inside. It's pretty bad. Hey, how the drill brush worked out? Okay? Yeah. All right.
You definitely gonna need it, brother.
See, we got our work cut out for us a little bit. About to get geared up and get to it. Let's go. So y'all, we is back with the Arcadia. Just finished it up. It is nice and shiny. Joe hitting a couple little spots or whatever he see. We always with the finishing details. So we're gonna take y'all on the inside, take you around it, of course, and let y'all see what it look like, and show you what that Winning Edge Car Wash mobile detailing will do for you. Let's check it out. Right, y'all see it's nice and shiny. Got the wheels looking good. Took the bugs off the front end. All right, on into the inside, which was very much so a challenge. Y'all can see we got the door panels nice and wiped down. Hit the floors, hit the seats. Moving on into the cupboard area. We'll show y'all exactly what this thing is looking like. Interior, all the seats and stuff were wiped down. Got the floors looking good. Vacuumed it all the way to perfection. Nice and thorough. We hit everything that we could. And got this thing right. We'll let this open up. Y'all can see we hit the rear end. Nice and clean. I don't know what that spot was. It wouldn't come out. But we got it right. Nice and wiped down panels. Driver's side done the way that it's supposed to be, and nice and clear windows. That's it on the Arcadia. We got one more that we need to do today. It's a Jeep Cherokee SUV. We're gonna go knock that out over in Fort Clark Legacy Apartments, and should be it for today. But in the meantime, in between time, we're gonna keep everything going in the right direction. Winning Edge Car Wash. Y'all check us out. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Do what you got to do to get us to come to you today, tomorrow, whatever. Let's get it done. What's up? We is on location at Legacy. We got the Jeep back there. It's our last detail for the day, and then it's Friday. About to turn up, probably go to the cigar lounge or something like that and hang out. You know, and make it happen. So let me take y'all around this thing, let y'all see what it look like before we touch it, and then we going from there. Let's go. Joe, I promise I'm gonna have some tire cleaner next time. About to get geared up so I can knock this out real quick, and gonna be done for the day. Let's get it. What's up, y'all? We just finished up this Jeep Cherokee. Y'all can see it's nice and shiny in the background. I'm gonna take y'all around and let y'all see what it's looking like, and we getting out of here. That's it for the day. As y'all can see, well, maybe y'all can see in the background, nice rain clouds. So let's go. Got the wheels nice and shiny. Hit the inside. This was an assessment detail. but on the higher end, charged them $160 to get it done right, and then I added an extra $40 to shampoo the seats. You can see the lines in the seats where we went over it with the machine. Not gonna take you in the back. Still got the items and stuff back there, but everything's looking good. Same thing on this side. Hit the seats, and we got this thing nice and vacuumed and wiped down, cleaned up. Show you the cup holder area, and took all the trash out of it. Check out winningedgecarwash.com. Like, share, subscribe, comment, hit that request service day button so we can get to you as soon as possible. And we got you covered. Talk to you later.